A customer visited WatchLab for a routine water resistance test before heading off on a dream island vacation. But to their shock, the test revealed a potential leakage in their watch. Here's how our Swiss-trained watchmaker expertly resolves the challenge of a leaking timepiece with precision and care. First, we carefully dismantle the watch to closely examine the case for any signs of leakage or damage. Then, we put it to the test using advanced water pressure tools to ensure pinpoint accuracy in diagnosing the issue. During the water pressure test, tiny bubbles began to appear, revealing the hidden weak points in the watch's seal. Now, it's time to carefully remove the watch and get to work on resolving the issue with precision and expertise. Alright, let's put the watch through another round of testing with our water pressure tools. And yes, it's a success! No bubbles in sight after releasing the air pressure. Now, let's reassemble the watch and conduct a final test using the witchy dry water resistance tools to ensure it's in perfect condition. Nice! The witchy dry water resistance test was a complete success. If you are looking for a reliable watch service center to service, polish, and authenticate your watch, visit us at our outlet at Far East Plaza, Singapore. Want to learn more about watches? Follow us on our social media and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section down below what brand you'd like to see us cover next.